morning feeling like crazy. With my glasses on at the store, I'm gonna hit it to see. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a yellow check. Cause now I'm here for the night and coming back. I'm talking vinegar on the toast, toast. Right on the toast, toast. Waking up and close, close. Drop top with flavor, favorite sweet taste. Bring up to the party. Time to get a bit tipsy.